The easiest way to get started learning pandas and Python coding with financial data is to just jump right into Google Colab. Literally just go to Google Colab, click New Notebook, and make sure to choose a GPU, because if you're going to be working with sizable data, you want to run your analysis with the GPU to speed things up. I'll go with a T4. It's more than enough for what we're doing today. And to make sure you leverage that GPU, you have to load this QDF pandas library. So I'll do load ext qdf.pandas. Make sure you do this before you import pandas. So here we go. Load ext qdf pandas is going to make sure we use that GPU. So now that I've done that, I can do pandas as PD. And to make sure we are using an accelerated version of pandas, I'll go ahead and show the output for this PD, this pandas module object. All right, and now you can see fast equals QDF. All right, we don't need that yet. Now that we have that, I'll also import Y finance as YF. This is how we'll get our data to play with. We'll make sure to run that. And then SPY and QQQ are the two most popular ETFs by far. I'll go with QQQ. It's a little more volatile, a little more interesting to look at. And look at that, it gave me that object right away. So now that I have that QQQ object from Y Finance, I can go ahead and get the data frame of, and I'll just do 1 month here, of the history of the price of it. And if we just do DF in a cell here, it'll show us that data frame. It'll show us that 1 month of data frame. We've got open, high, low, close, volume, capital gains, stock splits, and dividends. We don't really need all that. I'll just narrow it down to, let's see here, open, high, low, close, and volume. And you just literally do that by typing in the names of the columns you want, just like this here. And then open, high, whoops, forgot to open here. The order you put these in does matter. It will result in the order of the data frame it outputs. And then volume. All right. So now we have a little more reasonable data to deal with here. If we look at it again, we've got 1 month of open, high, low, close, and volume. If we want to plot this thing, it's just plot, and then we say which column we want to plot, and I'll go with close. All right, and there you have it. There's 1 month of the closing price of QQQ plotted in under 3 minutes. Keep following for more videos like this to learn Python and pandas for stock tutorials.